Like, this is probably as good as she's gonna get right now anyway. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. We're in my bathroom. I'm gonna be getting ready for the day. Yeah, not the night, but the day. I'm getting ready with my hair primarily. Like, I'm gonna put on some makeup, probably like maybe some blush, definitely brows and mascara. Very light today, I feel like. I want to go. Watch me go in a totally different direction. Anyway, off topic. I'm going to be playing with this little guy today. Yeah, I already took it out of the box. I could not wait. I could not. This is from Luxe Willow. It's the hair waver. It's just so... You hear that? It's just so shiny. I'm like loving this right now. Once upon a time, story time, sit down, gather around, y'all. Once upon a time, I had one, and I'm pretty sure it was like just your cheapo, generic, inexpensive ones from like Walmart, Target, what have you. And loved it. It lasted forever. Like, my tools never break. They just disappear. I'm pretty sure I know who has it, but that's okay. So I was like, let me get another one. I got another one, I think, in my FabFitFun box, and I hated it. I do believe I did a video on that one too. Did not like it. The handle was awful. Like, the way, and like, I didn't like it. So I gave that one away. I know who has it. They like it, enjoy it. I don't. It's not my thing. So I saw this while I was meandering around the store, and I was like, she's cute. She's got buttons. It's not like as long as I would like it just for my hair. Not like long, well, maybe long this way, but like, we're gonna try her out today, see how this does. My hair is just freshly washed from last night. Yeah, we'll see. I'm interested to see how it's gonna work with my bangs, because like, I don't know if it's not a crimper. I want to call it a crimper so bad. It's a waver. Wave doodle. I don't like it is a crimper, but I'm interested to see how it's gonna go. We'll see. I'm not like nervous. I'm just like, okay, I'm nervous. I really want this to go well. I am. Let me untwisty tie the cord. And I've learned, I don't know if this is just like me and my mom brain, but like any of these twisty ties, if it's attached to a cord, I untwist it and then re-twist it back on, like up near the base of the cord, even though it'll like go between wherever. Well, it's not very long. Given I'm spoiled, because if you've seen my hair straightener, the new one, what was it? Chi. I think it's a Chi hair straightener. That cord is like 13 feet, 40 feet, probably 180 feet long. Huge. Why? I don't know. It's kind of nice though. But this is kind of small, but like my plug-in's right there. So I mean, is that going to make a difference? I don't know. We'll find out. So, do I peel off the little plasticky protection thing? Is it going to melt? Is the heat going to transfer? These are all the questions I have. Oh, the little numbers were on here, not on here. Okay. It goes, I should have read this to you first. It goes from 280, 320, 360 to 400. And I'm going to plug it in. No? Oh, there's a power button. Is my thing need to be reset? Toothbrush. No? Why aren't you wanting to work? Oh, I should have saved the instructions. Oh my god, I'm freaking out over here. You have to press and hold it. It's not just a push, it's a press and hold. And then do I just push this to like cycle through what I want the temperature to be? 320 is good. 360 is okay. I'll just... Ooh, we're getting hot immediately. Okay, sit you down right there. I am going to brush through my hair a little bit because it is the morning. I just had my tea. So we're just coming in to do this. Okay. And then, as always, heat protectant. I'm currently loving this one from IGK. It's the Good Behavior Protein Smoothing Spray. Protein smoothie. I keep wanting to, sounds like protein smoothie. I'm gonna spray this outside. That smell gets overwhelming real quick. Okay, so if you know me, if you've seen any of my other hair videos, you know I start from the bottom and work my way up. So, separate it, clip it, separate it. How much hair? I feel like this is like a little too much. Maybe we should do like half. Maybe we should do like half this way. Yeah. And then keep this over here. Are you heated? How do I know you've heated up all the way? Do you blink at me? Did you blink at me? It feels hot. Like I can feel it over here. A little nervous. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, let's get into it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Not bad. Not great, but like not bad. Let me do the rest and see how it turns out. Are you heated up all the way? Is it because it's 520? I'm gonna do a 360 on this one, let it heat up a little bit more because I feel like this is good, but it's very relaxed. Like I can still see the waves, but they're not as defined as I like them, if that kind of makes sense. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Well, hear me out. They're about the same. Just looking at them, I feel like they're about the same. This one is a lot more relaxed. This one I feel like does have more of a like bump curve to it. It's probably all in my head, but like I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I like the way it looks better. Personally, I like the way this top one looks better than the bottom one. So we're going to stick with the 360. Come through. Separate these out. Do the, oh, can't do that. Do these. And then work my way up to the rest of my hair. We'll see how my bangs turn out. Yeah. Any tips or tricks on doing waved beach curl crimp bangs? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So far, by the way, the handle is really nice. I was playing with this little feature earlier. I'm not going to do it now because this is super hot and I don't know how to. So it has a lock and an unlock feature. I guess when you're doing someone else's hair or if you're traveling, you can unlock. And this part like folds down. That's kind of neat. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I'm just being yappy. I'm going to get on with this, do the rest of my hair, and then check back in with you. Okay, so, it's not bad. Let me take out this hair clip from the back. Just trying to separate everyone. Did I get everybody? Yeah? Good. And then throughout my day, I'm not just gonna like leave it half. I usually like flip it over very 90s, 80s, 90s. Very big hair, very lovely, very fluffy, very much me. I'm like worried about my bangs. They seem to be like okay though, like we're playing along today and I like that. This came out really good. How do I turn you off? Press and hold. Press and hold to turn on, press and hold to turn off. I did mess up a little bit in some spots. I don't know if I slowed it down enough to show you. Some of them down here, which you're not going to be able to see because now I can't even find them. I left a little line when I was trying to wave it. For some reason, I don't know if it's because it's been so long, probably honestly like a year, maybe more. Well, a couple months since I've done the last one, but it's been a long time since I've done my hair, waved it, and I was just struggling with the back. I don't know what it was. I'm just struggling, and then I'm doing it and I'm trying to pull it forward to look at it instead of doing it in the mirror, and I feel like that kind of messed it up a little bit. But with me living in Arizona and it still being summer, I'm probably going to end up clipping my hair up at some point throughout the day or doing a ponytail or something. So like, even if the back doesn't look the best, we're still going to be okay. I think it looks pretty good though. I did manage to, yeah, you could see a little bit right there. I did manage to get it on my forehead a little bit. It's not really me trying out a new hair tool, heating hair tool. It's not really me trying out a new hair tool, heated hair tool, hair device. You know what I'm trying to say. Unless I burn myself, injure myself, hurt myself, some way, some form. Here it is. And it's okay because I haven't put on any makeup yet. Because I was like, let's see how the hair turns out. If the hair is horrible, we're either gonna have to pull it back, wash it, start over. Worst case scenario, worst, you have to wash it and start over. But this is kind of nice. I like this. I like this. I did, the first time I grabbed it, I think after I sped this up, like, thanks editing me, I pushed one of these buttons and I got scared. I think it was this one. Because I was like, oh my gosh, like, do I stop? Do I finish? I was mid-hair, and then I finished, I looked, I was like, okay, nothing changed. I probably hit this one, which you have to press and hold to turn on or off, which makes sense. So the buttons being there is kind of weird. This, like, if you move your hands while you're doing this, you might well, no, that's kind of hard actually. You're not gonna unhook it. Let me unplug this because I keep pushing buttons and worried I'm gonna turn it on and like forget it, because that's me. The bangs are doing good. The bangs are banging. Other than that, I think this is pretty good. It was a little loosey-goosey in here because my hair was able to like shuffle around easily before. I really wish I remembered which one I had. And honest to God, it was probably like 5 years ago that I remember last seeing it. When you clamped over it, it wasn't smooth either. So it probably wasn't great for my hair, but it like held everything in place, and it took some effort for me to move my hair while it was clamped. I had to lift a little bit. But overall, I like this. Very nice. Luxe Willow. Very good. No issues with the length of the cord either. Maybe if like you're one of those people who's all over the place, don't need to use the mirror so much, like you need a longer cord. However, I don't have my contacts in. I'm not wearing my glasses while I'm doing my hair or my makeup. So I've got to be within a good distance of me in this mirror. So that's why you got me up close and personal the majority of this video. Anywho, the bangs came out good. We'll see if this holds. I'm like tempted to use a texture spray just to see if it will do anything. Maybe make it bigger. I don't necessarily want it bigger, but like I love it. Like look at this, look, especially like the ends. I just love that messy, beachy kind of vibe look. It's my thing. I love it. This might just be me all the time now. Probably not, but I really enjoyed this, so I'm probably going to reach for this more than normal. So if you see my hair like this, it's because of this Luxe Willow waver. I want to say crimper, so can I say crimper? Do you guys remember those crimpers? First time I ever had any kind of heat stuff on my hair was my mom's, or maybe her mom's, crimper. Looks just like my cheese straightener, but it has the zigzag plates on it, and you like poof, poof, poof. And my hair, no lie, especially when I was young before I started bleaching it, coloring it, doing anything to it, she was thick, she was big. Oh my gosh, I tell you what. Anywho, I'm rambling now, so we're just gonna stop this here. Thank you for hanging out. If you like what you see, you can hit that like and subscribe button, and also, in addition to that, you can go catch this video on my hair playlist. I love that. I have a whole bunch of other, well, I mean, not a lot, but like, it's growing hair videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.